Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another exciting episode, another tutorial. It's your boy Accru Worldwide. I'm here with TechVance, and today I'm going to teach you how you can use your phone as a wireless camera for your computer that you can use for gaming, which is streaming, podcast, and yeah, as a webcam. So let's jump right into it. Now you know that's a dope intro. You know this. Whew. All right. So now you want to jump right into your browser, and go on Google, right here. Yeah, here on Google, and search. Just type. I'm not sure if this is the correct pronunciation, but it's iRuin webcam. So it's iRuin, then webcam. Search for that, and then the first website that shows is the one we're looking for. So you click on it, and if you're using Windows, yeah, you should see this page here. If you're using Windows, you download the one for Windows. If you're using Mac, you download the one for Mac. If you're using Ubuntu, you download the one for Ubuntu. So I'm using Windows, so I'll download because I've already downloaded this. I'm not going to download it again. So I just download the one for Windows. Then once that is done, you double click and run the setup. If you don't know how to just install the thing, then hey, I think you should just get yourself an actual webcam or actual camera, because this is complicated stuff for you. If you cannot just install a software, hey, I don't know how I can help you. All right, so once you have that installed, you want to what you want to do is, because now we need to install the software on your phone, the application on your phone, the iRuin webcam application on your phone. So what you want to do is, because I'm using an Apple device, go to Apple Store. If you're using Android phone, you go to Play Store. So now you want to search for iRuin. Yeah, once you just search for that, I think it should be it comes right on at the top here. Yeah. Then because I already downloaded mine, you'll see that it says open. It's already downloaded. So what you want to do now, before you open it, now you have it installed on your computer, and now you have it installed on your phone. What you want to do is make sure that the phone and the computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And what you do now, if that's the case with you, all you have to do is run the software on your PC and run it again on your phone, and automatically you will see the software start like using your camera, just like what this is what you would see. You see this moving page here? This is the software once you've opened it, because mine is already set up, so you cannot see this the exact thing, I mean like the step-by-step thing, but once you do exactly what I've told you, once you do it exactly how I explained it, you shouldn't have a problem. Just make sure that both the phone and the PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and you should be good to go. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to click the follow button for more cool content, tutorials, and become a tech genius like myself. Niggas on the bar, that's how I be. Yeah. What to my fam when it